Tonight's dinner is turmeric chicken over rainbow chard with onion and garlic. You want to start by washing your chard with cool fresh water, and then you're going to separate the stems from the leaves. Once the stems are separated from the leaves, be sure to hold on to them because we're going to be finely chopping them and combining them with the pepper, onion, and garlic. Preheat your skillet with a tablespoon of avocado oil and season your chicken with salt and pepper and some ground turmeric. Then add the seasoned chicken to the skillet and start to saute it before we go and cut the chard. Take multiple chard leaves together and then roll them up like a cigar. This will allow you to cut them perpendicular to the roll and create ribbons. After cutting your chard leaves, make sure that you come back to the stove and flip your chicken. Cut the chard leaves so they're in ribbons. Slice the peppers, the onions, the chard stems, and the garlic.
We give about 5 minutes on each side of the chicken. It should have a nice sear on it like that. Now we're going to pull it from the pan. We're going to let it rest. And then those nice drippings on the bottom there, we're going to deglaze with a little bit of biodynamic white. In go the chard stems. And the garlic. We're going to simmer them for just a couple of minutes. Cut. Give the stems and garlic just a couple minutes, and then next you're going to add the onions. We're going to saute these onions until they get clear, and then we'll be adding the chard leaves. Alright, now onions are starting to become clear. Now we're going to add the chard leaves. Just scrape them in there nice and easy. Then spread out a little bit. Just another little splash of biodynamic white to make sure we got moisture in there. And we're going to shake a little red pepper on here to give it a punch. And cover. Alright, after a couple minutes, pull the cover off. You can see them starting to condense. I'm going to just add a little more salt and pepper to this. Now we're going to add the peppers. We add the peppers last because bell peppers pack a lot of flavor, and if you put them in too soon, the flavor can dominate the flavor of the meal. So that's usually the last ingredient you want to put in. So we're just going to cover that up again for another couple minutes. Cut. So give this a last final stir. Make sure everything's mixed up real nice. We've put a very, very small touch of turmeric-infused honey on these fillets just for a little additional flavor. They're going to go into the pan. Let's cover that up and just give it another couple minutes.
Pre-slice the chicken, then plate it, and enjoy.